welcome to Pita Pit. Have you been in before?
Yes, I have.
Cool. Well, you might have noticed we have a brand new menu here. All the pitas up there come with our chef-inspired toppings to get the best flavor possible. But as you might be used to, you can completely build your own pita still.
You know that bacon cheeseburger looks good.
Okay, let's get you a bacon cheeseburger. And did you want that with the chef-inspired toppings?
I would.
Okay, you got it. And can I get that on white or wheat for you today?
White, please.
White, good choice. And how about some chips or a drink?
I like both.
You got it. There's that for you. Feel free to choose any type of chips down there you'd like. And can I get a name for your order?
Chris.
Chris, all right. And, okay, Chris, are you a part of our loyalty program?
I'm not.
Okay, well let me go ahead and get you started. What this will do is load you up with today's points, and then you can redeem it for free food in the future. That'll be $10.76 today.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you. All right, Chris, go ahead and slide on down the line here, and we'll have Lauren make that pita down at the end for you.
Awesome. Thank you.
You bet. Hey, Chris, looks like you had a bacon cheeseburger on white today.
I sure did.
All right, and you want that just with the chef-inspired topping.
Exactly the way it comes.
You got it. Get that going for you. How's your day going today?
Super fantastic.
What have you been up to?
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all?
Nope.
No work, no nothing? Hey there, welcome to Pita Pit. Have you been in before?
No, I have not.
Okay, well welcome. You made a great choice coming here. The way our menu works is that all these pitas up here come with their chef-inspired toppings so that we get the best flavor possible, but you can always completely build your own pita, start to finish if you'd like.
You know that chicken pesto looks good, but can I have that with no onions?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to get that for you. Our pita rollers are happy to customize that down at the end for you however you'd like, so just let them know down there. Did you want that on white or wheat today?
White, please.
Okay. And can I interest you in some chips or a drink?
You know, I like both.
Got it. There's a cup for you. Feel free to choose any type of chips down there. And can I get a name for your order?
Chris.
Chris. Okay. And Chris, are you a part of our loyalty program?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well let me get you started. What this is gonna do is load you up with points from today's purchase, and then you're gonna be able to use it in the future for some free food. And that's gonna come to $11.72 today for you.
Okay, here you go.
Great. Okay. And Chris, you're all set. Go ahead and slide on down the line there, and Lauren would be happy to customize that for you.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You bet. Chris, it looks like you had a bacon cheeseburger on white and you wanted a couple changes to that?
Yeah, it looks great. I just don't like any onions.
You got it. I'm on it. We'll get that going for you here. How's your day?
Perfect.
Good to hear. Up to anything fun?
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. I love it. Good for you. Hey, welcome to Pita Pit. Have you been in before?
I have.
Very good. Well, you might have noticed we have a brand new menu here. All these pitas come with the chef-inspired toppings so that we get the best flavor possible. Or, as always, you can completely build your own pita.
You know, I usually get a ham, so I guess I'll do the build your own.
Okay, great choice. Let's get that for you. And would you like that on white or wheat today?
White, please.
Okay. And can I interest you in some chips or a drink, smoothie?
Just a drink.
Okay, there's a drink for you. And And can I get a name for your order?
Chris.
Chris. Okay. And Chris, are you part of our loyalty program?
I'm not.
Okay, well let me get you a card going. We'll get that started for you. And you can use this in the future for, you can use your points to redeem for free food. And it looks like your total is $10.27.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay. And Chris, you can go ahead and slide on down the line here, and Lauren would be happy to make that ham to your liking down at the end.
Thank you so much.
You bet.
Chris, you had a ham on white?
Yes, it was the ham on white that I had. I'd like shredded lettuce, please, and some tomatoes, also some cucumbers, bell peppers, onions. That cheddar cheese looks good, and of course let's put some ranch, and that looks perfect. Thank you so much.